Welcome to our video series, Web3 for Normies. We're here to declutter and demystify Web3 for product managers, designers, and developers who are used to Web2. In this series of videos, we'll explain the basic concepts of this new paradigm in web application development. The first thing we're going to learn is what are normies. Normies are what people in Web3 call people who are not in Web3. With that, we'll dig into our first topic, what is blockchain? You've probably heard of various chains like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Avalanche, Phantom, etc. What's really important to know from a conceptual standpoint is that these are really just like decentralized computing platforms. So instead of having your source of record be on Amazon or Microsoft or Facebook servers, it's spread out on a chain amongst many different computers. So everybody in this network has a copy of the chain, and when transactions happen on the network, those chains get updated with a new block, hence blockchain. Anybody or any application can read this chain. It's totally public. The source of record is not on a centralized computer. It's something that everybody can access. So the main takeaway is that blockchains are storage distributed amongst a broad network instead of being hosted on a server. In the next video, we'll talk about mining and staking.